how to get your first 200 views on one video, you might be asking. So, this might work for you. So first, you need to post some videos and see which gets more views. And whatever your video gets the most views, at whatever topic that is, start doing that a little more. But for your titles, put in a good title to hook people in so they will watch it, and you might get over 200 views. And also, when you need to put in a good description of stuff, so when people search up, there's a chance that they'll put up, so all these are good ways to help you. So, without putting in a good description, they'll never be able to find your video, and you need to have a good thumbnail, possibly, because, if you see just, a weird thumbnail, are you gonna click on the video? Possibly not. So, whatever you're looking for, they'll want to look for. That's what I say. That's what you should do. So whatever you would be looking for if you see a video, you should do that. But make sure to subscribe and leave a like for more videos like this. After this, we might do a first 10 or 5 subs. So, yeah.